All right, let's get started with styling up the notification component for now. So inside the notification component, we want to essentially, below this part here, check if this notification type again is not equal to a follow notification. And if it is a follow notification, we just want to end it and show it down there. So for now, we want to have an MT2 with a text gray 300 and a text small. And then we want to have a paragraph in here with an anchor tag. And this is just going to be saying the action they essentially took. So let's go ahead. In this case, add the anchor tag to a new line. Just like that. And let's make sure we just add some spacing in here as well. And then below that anchor tag, we want to have another anchor tag in here. And that's essentially going to display the tweet. So for that, let's go ahead and make sure we have all the relevant styling in here. So first and foremost, let's add in a root here for tweet. This get tweet. We need to create that function in here, I think. So let's go ahead and close that bit down here. So let's just do a public function get tweet. And the reason why we want to do this is if it's a retweet or a like. So in this case, we can go ahead and say tweet as the return type. Actually, let's go ahead and make sure this is now on a single line here, just like that. Perfect. So now we can essentially get the tweet in here. And what we can then do inside the notification page again is make sure that we below that have the content shown, but we also want to have a wire navigate and a class in here of MT2 text gray 300 and a text small. And then we want to have a this get tweet content. And then below that, we just want to have another if this get tweet get media count is greater than 0. We then want to go ahead and display an image. Just like that. And in the case that it is a follow notification, we want to just go ahead and display the person who followed you. So let's see what we have of issues here. We have notification not found in here. Let's make sure we use the correct spelling of it. And let's make sure we use the correct spelling inside the notification component. And currently we don't have a tweet route, so let's go ahead and just leave this out for now as just a slash to the home page maybe. There we go. So now you can see we have the retweet, the like, and all of that. But we also do want to show the content in here, and that doesn't seem to be working. So let's go ahead and see why that may be the case. So if we head into our tweet.blade.php, let's try to do content with links. So it is clearly getting to this point, but it's not displaying the content. So that is the thing we just need to figure out where it's going wrong here. So in this case, let's go ahead and dial up on the original tweet. And that's because this is a retweet. So for this one, we're finding the tweet, but we're finding the original tweet here, and for this one down here below, we're finding the retweet ID. So if we head inside our tweet model, let's make sure we return the original tweet. And there we go. So now we have essentially got all of these things to work here. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we will be primarily working on the ability to upload assets, but also start working on the tweet individual page, and then head on to working on the edit profile page. And then we will start working on small improvements around the application, such as the ability to quote tweets and also the other few things that may be in the application. But thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you next time.